Chem Sketch ACD Chem Sketch software. This is the previous software. There are a number of software available in the market which can be useful to drawing chemical structures, as well as this is not only limited to the chemistry, it may be useful for the physics, botany, zoology, and other softwares. So let us talk about from the starting point. Let's talk about from a very simple. On the first toolbar say this is the file. In the file, it is a new, open, basically close, save as. If you want to export, import, and some basic properties, yeah. Then edit, again for in the edit, it is cut, copy, paste, and select the in the page. And the toolbar is very important one to generate the name structure. We will see template. There are a number of ready templates are there. Shortcut keys are available like F6. You can F6 directly. F6 will provide you radicals, periodic table, and dictionary. There are again some kind of options. Snap on grid. Also, this one is set structure drawing style. So, what type of style you require? Normal or American Chemical Society style, or it may be Royal Society chemistry style. It may be according to the journal like Canadian Journal of Chemistry, Carbohydrate Research, Chemistry Materials, European Journal, Journal of Molecular Modeling, Phytochemistry, Synlet Synthesis. Okay, these are the structure drawing styles are available. Add-ons are also, you can add some softwares on this. Okay, in the second there is a structure. You can draw the structure. You can create a structure, or you can draw some objects by using draw tool. Then obviously save, printer, PDF option. This is forward backward option. This is an eraser, delete. Then yeah, you can small the screen, full page screen, or you can. This is very very important option. This is a open template window. Yeah. And this is a search engine. If you draw some kind of structure, you can search on this on PubChem, eMolecule, or ChemSpider. I'm trying all the three, but only ChemSpider will support this one. I don't know why this is happened. Yeah. Again, this is the options available with the after drawing the software. Obviously, these are select, move. The second one is select, rotate, resize, and third one is 3D rotation. One 3D rotation. Okay, normal bond drawing, you can use this option. Obviously, click is very important here. Again, if you want continuous bonds, this one. And third one is a draw chains. You can drag out. That many numbers of carbon atoms will be appear. So according to either you want stereo bonds, yeah, these are the stereo bonds. For organometallic chemistry, these two functions are used, very important, plus sign, and all these rotating bonds of the signs are available here. This is for template. This one is very important, clean structure. For 3D optimization, this option is available. Again, on vertical line, this one first one is periodic table of elements, and all the generally used elements are here. R1 in chemistry, R1 R2 is very important. If you want some temp charge, so charge is also available here. Also commonly used organic compounds available here. Then this one is again. So let us start from very simple one. Okay, simple. I'm selecting first one here. Is a normal. Okay. So if you want a carbon chain, so obviously select one is carbon. You want hydrogen only, hydrogen. So basically we are starting with the carbon. Yeah. So I'm put here carbon. Okay. Then drag this one. So it is again ethane. With propane, butane, heptane, and then hexane. So total 6 number of atoms. Yeah. This, yeah. If we change in the options, set structure style. This is a similar style. If we change in the normal, what happens? Yeah. See. Now this will show you the methyl group at the end. So obviously this is only the different kinds of representations. Otherwise, all are same. Yeah. If you want to show the hydrogen, click on hydrogen. Okay, click on carbon and drag it. So okay, this is hydrogen. Obviously, 4 bonds are there. So it's very easy to draw a structure. Just drag it. Put on the carbon, drag it. Again, put on the carbon, drag it. Drag it, drag it, drag it. So this is your normal hexane. So yeah, again these bonds are not even. So again go for the selection. Yeah, I will select this one. Yeah, select. And there is one option red like the clay structure. From the right hand side, third or fourth option is clay. So just click on clay structure. Yeah. Now our structure is ready. Our structure is, I don't know why this one is showing this type of, but plain structure is showing. Yeah, now this one is normal hexane. Okay, if I want to convert this normal hexane into cyclic, so what? Go back. Yeah. Again go for normal one. Select carbon. If it is already selected, don't worry. Select the carbon. Make the cursor on carbon, yeah, and then drag it up to the second carbon. Now both the terminal carbons I am attaching with the bond, yeah, and my next job is again select the given structure, yeah. Put here cursor and with your mouse, just drag it. It's very easy, just drag it. ए आशू दीदी इकडे काय करते एवढा छोटा सेल घेऊन हे काय समज चालू बघ ना एवढा छोटा पेन्सिल सेल आहे का आपल्याला पडले
छोटा नाही
चालू नाही हा झालं so again select the structure and go for placement. Okay, so obviously this normal hexane now converted into cyclic. So if you want to put a double bond, again select carbon and in which place we want to add double bond, just select that particular bond. Obviously this is converted. So now we will convert a simple methane to methane, ethane, butane, propane. then converting that structure to cyclohexane to bridge. If you want again add some bond, or you if you want to rotate this structure, select it and see here, yeah. So now this convert, or you can go for 3 optimization. So basically if you want to select it, click on okay, fine. So yeah, like that. Yeah. So if you want to convert this benzene into toluene, then select carbon, and yeah. So this will convert methane. If you want some acid group, yeah. So let us see this one acid group is available. Just your cursor must be on the particular carbon atom where you want to attach your that particular group. Yeah, so it is converted. So some additional, if you want some additional, yeah. So this one is some additional groups. So here enchains are there, like cycles are there, carbon groups are there, miscellaneous like nitro, or you want acetate group, or yeah. Let us see acetate group. So this is acetate. So how fundamentally